Hey guys, Renee here from Winanga-Li. Thank you to everyone who has taken interest in the Macrame workshops. Because there is such a large interest, we've decided to do a link, which will be a YouTube link that we will send to you each week. The first workshop should go for roughly around an hour, and then after that it'll just be a weekly thing with some sessions that'll be put up once a week. This way you can do it in your own time and we don't all have to log on at the same time, because I know we're all working, we're homeschooling, we've got kids, so we're trying to make it easier for you. If you haven't already done so, can you just please send me your home address? I'll be delivering the materials next week to you. With social distancing, I will either leave it at your mailbox or front door, and I'll also have some registration forms, and then if you can send them back to me as well before the workshop starts. Very simple, just fill it out and send it back to me. All we ask for in return is just send us a photo of your work that you've done and have fun. Hopefully this will, a new hobby we all get out of this. Keeps you busy while we're all in isolation as well. So we're really looking forward to this, and we can't wait to see your work as well. So yeah, have fun. Yalu.